What's up, everyone? My name is Nico Barnes. I'm in the house today. How's everyone doing? If this kid throws another rock at me, I swear to God. I'm suing this kid, man. Welcome to the vlog. Today's going to be kind of short because my memory on my phone's kind of short. So I apologize if my phone turns off instantly by itself. I apologize. I'm sorry. Alright. So today we're going to be exploring some houses. You see that alley? All those abandoned houses? Yeah, we're going to be exploring them houses. You ready for this? Let's go. Your boy looking so fresh, know what I'm saying? Oh, this house is abandoned. I'm gonna mess with that house. Find an abandoned house, man. Bro. Anyways, y'all, look at my boy Roman. Oh, my little brother, one of those street with no shirt. Get over it, jiggling. Know what I'm saying, bro? So, change the place, we're gonna do something else. I know what we're gonna do. Hold up. You're wrong really quick. The man's Keyshawn. I can't show a face unless he signed a waiver. So, did you sign a waiver? I can't show your face. Can I have your permission? My boy Keyshawn on the camera right now, homie. Check out his brother's channel, Roman Lovin', right here. Hi, Roman Lovin'. Ooh. I'm sorry, I stopped the hook a little bit. He fixing up that dirt bike today, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I forgot, I'm sorry, man. Check him out at Cody McMars on YouTube. He do Fortnite videos and stuff. Yeah, check him out. Tight dude. This dirt bike right here. Roll cinematics.
Turning, man. Get this wrench. Grab this wrench. Stop fucking with the wood.
Done with the cinematics, everyone. That bike is sweet. You know what I'm saying, man? Dude. It was hot outside today. So hot. Dude. I cannot wait to get on this little motorbike right here. Hey, let's hit 200 likes on this video. 200 likes. For me to try and do a backflip off this. 200 likes to try and do a backflip. 200 likes in the next 24 hours, alright? Deal? Alright. Sorry for the short vlog today. I'm gonna have to end it right there, y'all. Peace!